the very beginning there was no contact community here in Madrid. I remember the first jams. We were like 5. We start to have jams, regular jams, once a month, then twice a month. This was really a success for us. We were 10, 15 people. And then Tabacalera came, this amazing space, which I think was a qualitative change in the contact improvisation community here in Madrid. Because this is an open space. Every Friday we have a jam, and it's managed by the people.
Quien quiera participar en la intro, si os parece, vamos ocupando el espacio, así cerquita.
Well, we're going to this jam, contact jam. It's every Friday, and I like it very much because it has very special energy and well, it's free, so you can simply approach
with whatever you want,
like money, or if you know,
or you can come to clean before the jam starts.
The space when people first arrived was a bit different, so we had to change it, we had to paint it, we had to arrange the floors.
Many people were hooked by looking at these strange people touching each other and sweating and jumping.
I've been coming here for like 2 months or so, and it's a very inviting place because everybody is very friendly with you.
At the beginning it was difficult to get in, but you know, once I was there, I felt at home.
It's not just dance, it's also communication, and it's also working together, and it's also that we go to have some beers after the dance. So yes, that's why we create another kind of community.
Hey,
¡Ya,